Hi boys and girls, today we're going to explore these 3D shapes that I have here. I'm going to pull the first one out of the bag. And I want you to look at this. And you might hear me call these shapes figures. It's just another way to say shapes. So what do you notice about this figure? These flat parts are called faces, not like the face that we have, but it's the same word. So these flat parts, what does it look like? That's right, it looks like a square. What do you know about a square? That's right. A square has 4 sides. It has 4 corners, or vertices, and the sides are the same length. A square is a flat shape, but this one is not flat, is it? It like pops up. This one is called a cube. Does the cube roll? Let's find out. It does, doesn't it? Do you recognize this cube? That's right. These are dice, aren't they? They roll. And they are also cubes. Does the cube stack? Let's try it. It does stack, doesn't it? I could make a tower with these. A lot of times we see blocks that we can stack up. Why do you think that it stacks? Yes, because it has this flat face on it. So, let's put our cube down and write the word cube. And a cube is like the dice, isn't it? That's how we've seen it a lot in the real world. Now, let's find another shape in our bag. What do you notice about this shape? It's not flat, is it? We call this a 3-dimensional shape. What do you notice about the face? This one has 2 faces. Shape is this face. This is a circle, isn't it? But a circle is flat. This one is not. It pops up. What does this shape look like? It looks like a can to me. It almost looks like even a can of soda, doesn't it? This shape is called a cylinder. Can you say the word cylinder with me? Let's write the word cylinder. Let's explore another shape. do you notice about this shape? It almost looks like an ice cream cone. Some ice cream cones are like this, and you have ice cream on top, or a party hat. So here is the face of our figure. What does this face look like? What shape? It does look like a circle because it has curved lines, no straight lines. But it's not flat, is it? It pops up. This shape is called a cone. Can you say the word cone with me? Cone. Let's find another shape. What do you notice? Well, here's the flat part on top, the face. And what shape is that face? That's right, that's a rectangle. We know because it has 4 sides. It's not a square because the sides are not the same length. It has 4 vertices or corners. But this is not flat. It pops up. It has some height to it. This shape is called a rectangular prism. Let's label it. Can you say rectangular prism with me? Rectangular prism. It kind of reminds me of like a really tall building. Have you seen some rectangular buildings? Let's look at 2 more shapes. What do you notice about this? This face is a square because it has 4 sides that are the same length and 4 vertices or corners. But let's look at the other side. What is this shape? That's right, it's a triangle. And triangle has 3 sides. And then we turn it and there's another triangle. So there are actually 4 triangles that come together a little bit like the cone, isn't it? This shape is called a pyramid. Can you say pyramid with me? Pyramid. Pyramid. Let's look at one more. What do you notice about this shape? It reminds me of like a ball, doesn't it? It will roll. It is a round. Does it have any flat faces? No, it's curved all around. It will roll. This is called a sphere. This figure. And I think I'll have a hard time getting it to stop. There it goes. A sphere is very easy to roll, isn't it? So, boys and girls, these are some 3D shapes, three-dimensional shapes that we're going to have fun playing with. And at home, you should have a cube, a cylinder, a cone, and a rectangular prism. So we're going to have fun with these this week. Great job!